Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting Google Drive ready. Install the app and sign into your Google account. Once done, make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network and plug the iPhone into power so the backup won't pause. Next, grant Drive permissions for contacts, photos, and background app refresh in iOS settings. This allows Drive to read and upload data. Now open Drive and tap the menu. These initial steps let the app see your data and run the backup reliably. You'll now enable the actual iPhone backup inside Drive. Tap the three-line menu, go to Settings, then Backup, and choose Start Backup. Select which items to include, contacts, calendar, and photos, and toggle them individually so you control bandwidth and storage use. Once you start, Drive uploads your first pass. Keep the app open and the phone powered so nothing is interrupted. If you have many photos, the first pass takes longest, so be patient and let the progress indicate. Finish by verifying the backup. Open Drive backup settings and confirm the latest backup date and a few file previews to ensure completeness. When restoring, sign into the same Google account on a new iPhone and follow the Drive restore prompts for contacts and photos. If something goes wrong, try this key troubleshooting tip. Make sure background app refresh is enabled. Drive has permission to use mobile data if needed, and that your Google account has enough storage. Then restart the app and retry the backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.